JD here.
And Lady A.
Lady A wants to do the intro, so let's let her do it.
Okay, today we know that Cinco de Mayo is coming up, and if you, like most other Americans, you will be drinking some shitty Mexican beer. Not casting judgment on this specific beer, it's probably not shitty. We're about to try it. We are going to be showing you today a method to make shitty Mexican beer a little bit more palatable so that you, on Cinco de Mayo, can get drunk with your friends.
But before we do, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. That way you know whenever I release videos, because it sure isn't like every Friday at 9:45 in the morning Mountain Time I do it. On that note, let's go. Okay, so we're just going to give this a try without the lemon, without the salt. See what happens. So, salud.
Salud.
Just a little taste. What do you think?
I actually kind of like it.
Do you?
Which is weird because I don't like beer. Usually I hate beer, but it must not have very much hops or something because it's actually really good.
Dear Pacifico, endorsement now. Okay. Step 1. Take shitty Mexican beer, pour into appropriate American drinking vessel. This, of course, is Red Solo Cup, renowned around the world for its class, beauty, and grace.
Cut the lemon in half, 1/2 for each 12 ounces of beer.
If you don't like a lot of lemon, put less in. If you like more lemon, put more in. You're an adult, figure it out yourself.
Put 1 pinch of salt in each beer, or a little more than a pinch if you feel like it.
So, let's see how it turned out. Okay. Lemon, salt, Mexi beer. Let's see how it is. Salud. What do you think?
I still like it. What do you think?
I think it's good either way.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
As far as beer goes, it's really good.
Fair enough.
As far as normal drinks go, I'd drink it.
I don't know if the salt's adding anything because everybody has different tastes, so I may want a little more salt in there. But the lemon in there adds a nice little spritz to it. Overall, I'd say this is a success. So anyways, we say we like. And if you like this video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Hit me up on social media. The links are down below. Give it a like if you like it.
If you don't like it, give it 2 dislikes to show us just how much you don't like it. That's what you're supposed to say.
Yes, and we'll actually leave that one in because I don't know what I'm doing here. So, JD.
Lady A.
We out.
We out.
This is not nearly as shitty as I thought it was going to be.
I actually think it's pretty good.
Yeah.